Meta Millionaires, what is going on? First, I got to give a big shout out. Thank you to Sean Dillon in my Patreon group. He sent me the link. I'm not going to lie, guys. It's 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time where I'm at. I was getting ready to go to bed. I got to work 11 hours tomorrow. And he said, Terry, here is the link to the earnings. They're out late tonight. So let's just go in. I'm just going to read the earnings to you guys. And, you know, just kind of go from there. So here it is, right on MetaMaterials page. Go under their news and events, and boom, it's here. So let's get into it. Meta announces second quarter and H1 2020 results. So I'm not going to have any time to react because this is just all fresh. It says here, the company of Meta, developer of high-performance functional materials and nano composites, today announced second quarter 2021 results. Please visit the investors section of our website to view the Q2 21 shareholder letter. The interim financial statements and the associated management discussion to analysts for the quarter ended June 30th, 2021 are available on investors section of our website as well as the NASDAQ.com or on the SEC. In Q2 2021, total revenue grew 197% to $624,320. They grew revenue, guys. 197%. That puts a smile on my face. I'm going to tell you that right now. A smile on my face because the company doesn't have any really expected earnings. There's no analysts covering it. This is their first big earnings. Compared to $210,344 in Q2 of 2020. For H1 2021, total revenue increased by 88% to $1.220623 million versus $650,000 in H1 2020. The Q2 net loss was $5.1 million, 3 cents per share on 197 million weighted average shares, compared to a net loss of 1.81 cent per share on 155 million weighted average shares in Q2. For H1 2021, the net loss was $49,027,000 per share on 183 weighted average shares, compared to total loss of $3.2 million, 3 cents per share on 120 million weighted average shares. The H1 2021 net loss included a one-time non-cash loss of $40 million on financial instruments. Net cash used in operating activities during H1 2021, $5.6 million compared to $4.4 million in H1 2020. Capital expenditures for purchase of property, plant, and equipment and tangible assets totaled $3.3 million as of June 30th. Cash and equivalents totaled $154 million, and common shares outstanding were 279 million. We go down here to the balance sheet. Cash and cash equivalents as of June 30th, 2021. We do have $154 million, guys, in cash. Look at December 2020, 1.3 million. We have a lot more cash now on the balance sheet, which is good. We go down here and take a look at their total current assets, $230 million compared to December of last year, 2.7 million. If we look at their total assets, they have 460 million in total assets. Now, like I said, guys, I'm just doing a quick rundown of these numbers, just kind of giving you the quick, ins and outs of this because I'm just super excited. We'll digest this information and come back over the weekend with maybe more detailed information about this. I just want to get in here and get you this information. I'm going to put the link to this as well so you can come in here and read it, go over these numbers and do your due diligence. The total current liabilities is 87 million. Total liabilities is 92 million. Let's see here. Stockholders' equity deficit. Shares authorized 279 million. Shares are outstanding as of June 30th. Unlimited shares authorized 154 million. So it says total stockholders' equity. Total stockholders' equity. Oh my God, I can't even talk. You tell it's bedtime, guys. Total stockholders' equity deficit. $367 million. Total liabilities and stockholders' equity deficit, $460 million. Let's go down here and take a look at the revenue. Total revenue, as we saw, $624,000. That was the big 190-some% increase. So they had a gross profit of $623,000. Total operating expenses was $5 million. Net loss was $5.1 million. So, like I said, guys, they're going to be losing money. They're a brand new company. There ain't no new company out there that's going to be profitable right away. I mean, every big name company is going to have, it's going to take them a while to get there. And cash flows, net loss says was June 30th. It's like $49 million. Net cash used in operating activities, $5.6 million. We got net cash provided by investing activities was $143 million. They don't have nothing there. Net cash provided by financial activities, $15.4 million. Net increase in cash and cash equivalents, restricted cash, $153 million. And we got the cash equivalents, and restricted cash at the end of the period, $155 million. So there's a lot of information in here. I do think the most exciting part for me now, I don't know how the market's going to react on this, guys, because the market as of late is kind of crazy. The market just, I don't know. But there is, we saw Wish get destroyed today. We saw Tattooed Chef. We saw SoFi. There's a lot of companies that barely missed earnings. Now, they did have analysts covering them. Like I said, this is our first kind of shareholder quarterly report being on the NASDAQ. So I don't think we really had high expectation. And I don't think no analyst could expect this company to be profitable. But, and for them to, total revenue grew 197% to $624,000 compared to $210,000 in Q2 2020. I like that. That's what I want to see. I'll be honest, I wouldn't expect the revenue really to be anything at all. So to be that much, I'm actually kind of surprised. As you saw on the shop, we only have a couple products. So now that this is out, man, I'm just curious what they can announce, what George can announce going forward, what everyone else can announce with the metamaterials, man. Can they announce some press releases here maybe tomorrow, maybe next week? Maybe they'll let this, press release here stew up, but I'm excited to bring you this information. Let's go take a quick peek on Twitter and see if George or Metamaterials posted. All right, guys, and I got to give a quick shout out to some very special people that has either did a donation or has joined the Patreon group. We're up to 22 active members. We have a lot of great conversation on there. Like I said, thank you again, Sean, for sending me that. I got that direct message, so I'm super excited. First, I want to say thank you to Brian Yersini. Thank you for the PayPal donation. That's right. I had someone before do a Cash App donation, and Brian did a PayPal donation. Those links are down below in the description. And I want to say thank you to Ben Revlance and Alexander Zurath. Thank you guys for joining the Patreon group. That's my 2 new members. We got 22 active members, so have some exciting conversations in there. Maybe over the weekend I'm going to put some fresh content in there. I did a post here about special requests. If you're part of the Patreon group, you can request special videos on certain stocks. I think I got to do one on Drive Shack. I think that's the one, Drive Shack. It's a golf company. So that people's inquiring about that one. And I had another one do a request on AMC, which he wants me to publish it to YouTube. So let's get back and take a look at the social media real quick and see if anything's going on. All right, and yes, you can see it right here. Posted 11 minutes ago, Meta announced the second quarter, their H1 2021 results. Let's go see if George has posted anything on that. George has not shared it, but MetaMaterials has. So there it is, man. I'm just banging this video out because I want you all. It already has 300 and some likes. People's retweeting and everything. So I just wanted to bring this out to you guys, and I'm going to put that link for that down in the, maybe I'll put that down in the pinned comment. I also got to put the Patreon group down in the pinned comment. So if you want to join the Patreon family, consider hitting that link, join as little as $1 to $5 a month, or whatever you would like to donate. So thank you again to everyone that's supporting the channel. And like I said, I got a video coming out tomorrow on Golden Nugget GNOG, talking about some situation there. So thank you all for your support. I got an 11-hour workday tomorrow, guys. So I'll have that one video coming out. I'll do Meta more over the weekend. I'll cover more of this Meta information over the weekend. So hope you all have a great evening, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.